Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you my highest sales in Shutterstock. So I'm working in Shutterstock from few years, but I'm not working continuously, and today in this video I'm going to show you my highest sales on Shutterstock. Okay, so I'm just coming here. Okay, so I'm just opening my Shutterstock dashboard. Okay guys, so now I'm coming inside my creators dashboard of Shutterstock, and after that I'm just clicking in the earning, and I'm just clicking in the earning summary. And now you can see here there are a few things, and I'm clicking in the single and other. Okay guys, so now you can see here my one image is sold on 13.20 USD. And this is a single image that is sold for $13.20. Okay, so this is a huge amount of cost or huge amount of sales which I got on my Shutterstock portfolio. So if you want to also make money online from Shutterstock, then you can sign up in Shutterstock from my link in the which is given in the video description. So if you want to check my Adobe stuff on improve, then you can check my previous video.